Hey, good morning, and welcome to Philly Live. I'm your girl, Anya Lachelle. Happy almost Friday, everyone. So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and while breast cancer can affect anyone with breasts, that includes men, one local doctor and content creator wants to share her knowledge with the group that's seen an increase in cancer diagnoses, women under age 40. So Sheila Watko spoke to Dr. Robyn Roth about what we can do to be aware of our risk factors and how we can keep tabs on our health at home. And by the time she left, Sheila and her were bosom buddies. Yes.
Did we just become best friends?
Dr. Robyn Roth is a breast radiologist using social media to make breast health education approachable. On her podcast, The Girlfriend's Guide to Breast Cancer, she asks breast health specialists and people touched by cancer the questions she and her listeners really want to know. Her Instagram and TikTok accounts, the Boobie Docs, are full of content about mammograms, self-exams, health tips, and more.
I've had like 5 different individuals tell me that something they learned on the Boobie Docs helped them find their breast cancer early.
Dr. Robyn is especially passionate about raising awareness in women under age 40, a group that has experienced increasing rates of breast cancer over the last decade plus, about 12,000 new cases per year.
One of the newer recommendations says that all women should have a conversation with their doctor before age 30 about breast cancer risk factors. So if you're high risk, we usually start mammography as early as age 30 and MRI as early as age 25. I hear lots of stories of people being told that they're too young for breast cancer, it's just a clogged duct, without adequately evaluating the area. So I think it's important that as patients, we say, how do you know it's not anything more serious like breast cancer? Are there any tests that we can order to exclude breast cancer?
Dr. Robyn also taught me 2 things we can all do at home at no cost. The first is the tyrer-cuzick Risk Assessment Calculator. You can find it online and use it to determine your risk of developing breast cancer in the next 10 years and over your lifetime.
BRCA gene, have you ever been tested?
I've never been tested.
Okay, not tested. Family history, are you Ashkenazi Jewish?
I'm not, no.
Any risk of breast cancer in your family?
No other types of cancer, but not breast cancer.
Not that you know of.
Not that I know of.
Okay. You are average risk. So you are 11.6%, which is average.
Okay.
So that's good.
If you have tested for the BRCA gene in the past, but your results are over 5 to 10 years old, Dr. Robyn suggests retesting because genetic tests have gotten so much better over the last decade.
So there are lots of great organizations that offer free or discounted genetic testing. jscreen.org, Sharsheret, KickBRCA, these are amazing organizations that will work with you. So now genetic testing really should not cost more than $200 out of pocket.
80% of young people find their own breast cancer, which is why Dr. Robyn and many experts recommend doing a monthly self-exam at home.
You're just gonna look at your breasts in the mirror, you're gonna flex your chest, you're gonna put them over your arm, and you're really looking for any rashes, skin dimpling, any redness that you never notice. Use 2 or 3 fingers. You're gonna use light, medium, and firm pressure. You're gonna lift your arm above your head, and you're going to kind of do a circular motion, making sure you do not miss your armpit and your clavicle, okay? And also you wanna make sure that you get your nipple area, and you're squeezing your nipples to make sure that there's no discharge. The best time to do your self-breast exam is days 7 to 10 of your menstrual cycle. Choose the same time every month to do this. It's best done in the shower, actually, when your skin is very slippery. You could do it lying down, that's also the best way. If you find any change, you're gonna pay attention to it over the next few days and see if it gets bigger, harder. Okay, but in the meantime, you're gonna start making an appointment with your doctor so you can get in.
You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it.
I'm Sheila Watko for Philly Live.
Dr. Robyn Roth is hosting the Boobie Bash tomorrow at 7 p.m. at La Scala's Fire in Marlton. This fun night will benefit the breast and ovarian cancer nonprofit Unite for Her. You can also follow Boobie Docs on Instagram and TikTok for helpful breast health information. And listen to The Girlfriend's Guide to Breast Cancer wherever you stream your podcasts.